Hello, friendships of the Great Wolf Lodge pack. We're so excited. We're about to introduce this special drink I'm about to make. As you know, this cup is full of all the Great Wolf characters at the Great Wolf Lodge. So, yeah. So, basically, since I have heard my favorite color is purple, so today I'll be trying out this super fruit juice to put inside to make it a drink, alright? So this is the juice, fruit juice. Alright. Next, I'm gonna add in a little bit of apple juice. Okay. Alright. Next, I'm going to add in a little vanilla. Alright, and then finally I'm going to add the sugar. Alright, I'm going to add some sugar in. Alright, there you have this type of recipe. This is a special drink I made, so yeah. Feel free to check it out soon. Alright, as you know, this is Riley. Look at this shirt. You want to see this shirt? Life of Friendships. This drink came from the Life of Friendships experience. Yeah. Okay. Let's clean out my hand here. And here we go. We're back. Alright, Riley. Here we go. Get ready. We're about to taste this Life of Friendships drink made for the Great Wolf Lodge. Let's try it. That was phenomenal. This was a great drink. You should try making that in the future. Try creating own drink ideas, just in case if any ingredients at home can be used something sweet. Well, thanks for watching. I love you more, Billy.